Welcome back to Getting Started with the Flipper Zero. Today we'll be going over infrared. Flipper Zero can intercept and receive infrared signals. On your Flipper Zero, the IR transmitter and receiver can be found here. It sits on the other side of the I button pogo pins right next to the buzzer. And they're tiny. Hit the center of the D-pad of your Flipper Zero. Head on over to infrared. From here you have a universal remote, the function to learn a new remote, your past saved remotes, and GPIO settings. If you're using a GPIO board that uses 5 volt, make sure you turn this on. Now we cannot see infrared, but our phones can. So a good way to tell if your infrared lights are working is to hold them under a camera. Now notice how those lights are pulsing? Infrared pulses like that, like a Morse code to send different signals. Now the universal remote is just that. On universal remote, you can pick your designated hardware. In this case, we're going to pick TVs. Here we have a general TV remote, and you can hold this under any TV. You press power, and it'll send every signal it can. And this might take a while. To learn a new remote, you just got to hold the other remote in front of the flipper. And I mean, you got to press it up on it. Now the built-in infrared on the Flipper Zero is reliable, so I'd recommend you get a GPIO board like this Slim Shady by Rabbit Labs. There are a lot of different IR blasters by a lot of different developers, but if you ask me, this is the best. Also, make sure you protect your GPIO boards with awesome cases like this one by Tron Cases. You can find awesome IR blasters and more at rabbit-labs.com and awesome cases for your boards at troncases.com.